Welcome to our tutorial on how to share your hometown on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to begin creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options available. 4. Choose Home and Living from the list of life events. 5. Select Hometown to showcase your roots and where you come from. 6. Enter a title for your hometown, add the location, and include the date to provide context. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to decide who you want to share this update with. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share the story of your hometown with your Facebook friends and connections. By following these steps, you can celebrate your origins and share the essence of your hometown with your social network on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to post about your hometown on Facebook. Connect with others by sharing your hometown pride and memories through this simple process. Stay connected and engaged with your network by showcasing where you come from on Facebook. Welcome